Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, and one of the most impressive advancements in this field is the development of ChatGPT by OpenAI. This powerful AI model has been designed to engage in human-like conversations, providing natural language responses to questions and statements. In this video, we will explore the capabilities of ChatGPT, its training process, and how you can effectively learn and utilize it for a variety of tasks and domains. Understanding ChatGPT, a conversational AI model. ChatGPT is built upon OpenAI's GPT 3.5 series and has been trained using Instruct GPT. It has undergone a meticulous training process that involved collecting demonstration data, training a supervised policy, collecting comparison data, and training a reward model using reinforcement learning. With 1.3 billion parameters, ChatGPT offers improved alignment with user intent and enhanced conversational abilities compared to its predecessors. Users can interact with ChatGPT by inputting questions or statements in natural language, and the model responds accordingly. It possesses the ability to engage in conversations, answer follow-up questions, acknowledge mistakes, challenge incorrect assumptions, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT goes beyond mere text-based interaction. It can simulate a Linux terminal, generate code, provide recommendations, and answer a wide range of queries. Mastering ChatGPT, Let Me Study comprehensive course. To effectively learn and harness the power of ChatGPT, Let Me Study offers a complete course that caters to beginners and advanced learners alike. This course serves as a comprehensive guide, covering technical aspects, application scenarios, setting up the environment, and even delving into previous generation models like GPT-2 and GPT-3. The course dives into various use cases, encompassing live coding, SEO, social media post creation, language translation, YouTube scripting, code generation, debugging, content creation, question answering, sentiment analysis, and web application development. It provides practical examples, allowing learners to explore and experiment with ChatGPT in different domains. Furthermore, the course delves into the integration of ChatGPT with popular business applications such as Power Automate, Power Apps, and Outlook. It also explores its compatibility with various cloud platforms. Users will gain insights into previous generation models like GPT models, understanding their training processes, advantages, disadvantages, and data preparation techniques. The course also touches on working with GPT-3, an earlier version of ChatGPT, and provides guidance on using the playground for a better understanding of language models, the transformer architecture, and beyond. Before delving into the specifics of ChatGPT, the course offers a foundational understanding of the transformer architecture. Widely used in natural language processing, NLP, transformers offer parallel processing capabilities and significantly faster training and inference times compared to traditional models like RNN or LSTM. This knowledge equips learners with a stronger grasp of the underlying technology that powers ChatGPT. The course briefly touches upon GPT-3, boasting an impressive 175 billion parameters and excelling at various NLP tasks. It also mentions Instruct GPT, which is an exciting project from OpenAI aimed at generating instructional text based on human-like interaction. These highlights provide learners with a broader perspective on advanced language models and potential future trends. Conclusion: ChatGPT is a groundbreaking AI model that enables impressive conversational interactions with human-like responses. OpenAI's comprehensive course ensures that users can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT by familiarizing themselves with its capabilities, carefully reading responses, experimenting with inputs, providing feedback, and practicing conversations. The integration of ChatGPT into business applications, combined with its broad spectrum of use cases, offers endless possibilities for individuals and organizations alike. With the power of ChatGPT at your fingertips, the possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.